Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make cocoyam soup, ofe ede in Igbo language. So I'll go ahead to add in my well cleaned beef into my pot. After that, I'll add my cow tripe. I'll add some stock fish, diced onions. I'll add my mixed seasoning herbs, some stock cube and also some salt. After that, I'll go ahead to mix together, then cover and allow it to steam. And 10 minutes later, I'll go ahead to add in some water to it, then cover the pot and allow the meat to cook until it becomes soft. So after cooking my meat, I'll go ahead to introduce my palm oil, then cover the pot and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes again. So 10 minutes later, I'll go ahead to add in my dried catfish. After adding in the catfish, I'm going to go ahead to use my spatula to kind of give it a quick stir. And after that, I'll go ahead to introduce my cocoyam paste. Next, I will add my oguiri ofe ede. This is the local ingredient for making this particular soup. And after that, I'll add my blended pepper and also my blended crayfish and uzuza seed. I blend them together. And finally, I will add my salt and also some stock cube. After that, I'll use my spatula to stir it and make sure I mix everything together. After I'm done mixing, I'll go ahead to cover the pot of soup and allow it to cook on a medium heat for about 15 minutes. So 15 minutes later, as you can see, my soup is almost done. I'm going to go ahead to introduce my well cleaned fresh bitter leaf. After adding in my bitter leaf, I'm going to use my spatula to stir it and make sure I combine everything together. And after that, I'm going to go ahead to cover my pot again and allow it to cook this time for about 5 minutes. And after that, my soup is ready. So guys, finally my ede soup is ready now. So I'm going to go ahead to take it off the heat, give it a final stir and enjoy my soup. You can enjoy this soup with any swallow of your choice, whether pounded yam, fufu, eba. But for mine, I'm going to be enjoying my with oatmeal fufu. So please guys, if you haven't subscribed to this my channel, maybe today is your first time of coming across this my channel, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscription button and also turn on your notification bell icon to be the first to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. And please don't forget to support my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker. And see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.